Hi everyone, this is Gina, and today I'll bring you a customized wallet engraved by our new laser engraving machine, the TS1. It's very simple but with high performance. You can see the engraving pattern is very beautiful and detailed, especially suitable as a gift. And the most important thing, it only takes half an hour to finish it. If you are interested in, follow me and let's try together. We just need to prepare a leather wallet about 10 centimeters in size. Connect the TS1 to the power supply and our computer. Open the software to import the files and set it according to these parameters. At the same time, it can also connect it to the phone directly. Just use the MKS laser software. Import the picture, set these parameters, and start engraving. Very easy, isn't it? I hope today's video can inspire you to create your more customized gifts. And if you have other creations want to share with us, you can contact us on our Facebook. We will share these files from time to time. So stay tuned and see you next time. Bye bye.